The Speaking of Founders Fund, you and I are both big admirers of Peter Thiel. What have you learned from him since you joined and started kind of more working with him more regularly?
I just love the way he thinks very differently than anybody else. It's remarkable his ability to distill ideas and distill like wisdom out of the ether. He's sort of like finding views. I don't know if he's right, but his track record seems to imply that he is. So you have to take it seriously. But the AI phenomenon right now, like watching him and analyze, think about distribution. How are these guys going to have competitive advantages? Why Founders Fund's a big investor, not a big like in the scale of what OpenAI has raised, but they've invested in OpenAI, what I think is a large amount of money. But he does think that his views on an AI are kind of interesting, where they're kind of a feeding frenzy within VC land to invest in everything AI. And Peter's allergic to whenever he sees that kind of behavior of everybody chasing after something. And so his ability to sort of like go back to these principles of going, look, if everybody's interested in something, I'm not interested in it. It's very intriguing and very hard to recreate, right? Like, because the rest of us are going to get picked up in the mania of something.
Yeah, it's very against human nature. Humans like things that other humans like, essentially, right?
Yes. Yeah. And so his whole theory of memetics from Girard is like super interesting and got me very excited. But been like a really eye-opening, like new perspective of the world. 0 to 1 book is basically Rene Girard, philosopher, applied to startups.
It's the best business book there is because it's short and it's just very easy to understand. There's a few core messages and it's super well written.
It's great. There's a great book called Wanting, which is about the philosophy of Rene Girard more broadly. And if you read that and then go reread 0 to 1, you'll see the underlying Girardian influence of 0 to 1.